7 clear signs your crush likes you. One. Body language. They might lean in closer when talking to you, maintain eye contact, or mirror your gestures. 2. Engagement. They show interest in your life, remember details about you, and initiate conversations. 3. Attention. They make an effort to spend time with you, whether through texting or making plans to hang out. 4. Compliments. They frequently compliment you or make an effort to make you feel good about yourself. 5. Nervousness. They might seem a bit nervous or fidgety around you, which can be a sign they care about your opinion. 6. Support and help. They might offer support or help you with things, showing that they care about your well-being. 7. Jealousy. They might show signs of jealousy if they see you with someone else.